Tesla to pursue their strategy for an electric car revolution. Purchase a former GM and Toyota site in Fremont, California, on the edge of Silicon Valley. The abandoned facility is a traditional car factory. Dark, little natural light, bare concrete floors. When Tesla Motors move in, it's the birth of a mega factory like no other. It's a totally fresh approach to car manufacture. The walls and floors are painted white. The machinery a striking red. Skylights and windows flood the factory with sunlight.
If you make the factory pristine and clean, that sets the tone for the vehicle. We want that same sense of quality and precision in the car itself.
As part of the whole company ethos, bikes are provided so the workers can get around the factory.
I think it's important to have an environment where people look forward to coming to work. So it's worth putting some effort into making the factory beautiful.
In true Silicon Valley style, they fill the space with the most advanced technology, creating an automated production line capable of building tens of thousands of cars. Super efficient multitasking robots, self-guided smart carts, and computerized production schedulers. The factory is designed to be up there with the very best in the world.
We love engineering, we love beautiful machines, we love new technology, we love to innovate with high technology. And also in manufacturing, we love to do that.
Without training, these sophisticated robots are useless. They all need to be taught before they can run tasks automatically. Every robot is programmed by hand. The Tesla team has meticulously trained 130 sophisticated robots over a year and a half. One of the last robots still to be programmed is a multi-point welding robot. It will be used to join the car's underbody.
These are pretty busy robots, so we gotta make sure that our tack time is good.
A robot's work is only as good as the man who trains it. Brad Johnson is a welder with over 25 years' experience at the highest level.
Getting this done today, we'll have the teachings all nice and smooth, and then we can start running 100% and full automatic.
That sounds good.
The space in which the robot operates is treated as a three-dimensional grid. The head can be manually guided to any point using a teach pendant.
There's our start point and our weld position.
Brad guides the robot millimeter by millimeter and uploads the coordinates. The robot works out the most efficient route and runs the program.
Looks like the teaching is right on mark, and we have a really good quality weld right here. So we should be able to run full auto with this weld.
When full production begins, Brad's handiwork will be exactly replicated by the robot 100 times a day. Since their inception in 2003, Tesla Motors have been pursuing their electric car revolution. As the robot's pincers come together, they fire a rivet and join the aluminium sheets. Over to the right, side body subassembly. One of the most advanced aspects of Tesla's robots is that each arm can perform a variety of different tasks.
We have to use all the gamut of technology to make the aluminum joint between stamping and welding and riveting and bonding.
Line. Gradually, the automated line builds up the side sections, ready to house the doors. A test batch of 3 cars is complete. Body assembly has demonstrated it can run successfully in full automation. It's a vital milestone in the countdown to mass production. Completely assembled, the aluminium body is now known as body in white. It's ready for some color. The body in white is loaded onto an overhead train that carries it to the paint area. At this vast facility, the paint center is in a totally separate building. The Fremont site covers nearly 95 football fields of space. It's so big, the Model S production line only fills 20% of it. The art process.
There's a lot of technology that goes into the Tesla car, but the very first thing they'll tell you is what color of Tesla car they bought. That's how important the paint is.
First, a roller coaster ride of treatment baths. Detergent to clean the surface, and then electrocoating. The electrocoat helps attract the paint to the aluminium. The primed car is ready for color. This vehicle will be sprayed with their trademark tint, what Tesla calls Signature Red.
It's a color that we developed that's different than anybody else's red. It's been developed with glass flake to get the specific type of sparkle that...
This man has a vision to create the best electric cars ever seen and consign gasoline to history.
This is something truly revolutionary.
He wants to build his unprecedented Tesla car in a futuristic new factory and trigger an electric transport revolution.
It's been a long time since something like that happened in the car business, but it's here.
It's a dream many have had, but none have realized. Aluminium bodywork, 19-inch alloys, and a $50,000 price tag. At first glance, this car is the latest in a long line of high-end sedans. The batch of test vehicles reaches the vital final stages: powertrain and body marriage. In gasoline cars, installing the drivetrain is a lengthy process. With electric, it can happen in just 2 steps. Step 1. The motor unit, complete with suspension and brakes, is bolted into the rear wheel berths. There is no drive shaft or transmission to be attached. In one motion, it's fitted. For final assembly, the work is mainly manual. Like the robots, the line workers' performance is being monitored.
509, guys.
With every vehicle, they're ramping up to the full production cycle time, or TAC time.
Every station here in the factory has to achieve a certain operation in that tech time in order to get it to our customer on time.
At Elon's insistence, inspection happens on a bamboo platform. He believes you can only judge a car's beauty if it's framed by beautiful surroundings. The last check is the test drive. At Tesla, the track is very different. Because electric cars produce no exhaust fumes, they can be driven indoors.
Our people have done so well at putting this car together. You can see the remarkable quality of the paint.
Production test run. And its quality proves the new mega factory is ready for mass production. It's a big moment for the company.
Just to see this car going around the test track here, it really demonstrates the fact that the Tesla